Hey guys, what's up? This is YouTube channel Proton Classes. Today we are doing some problems on radian measures. We have already proved that 1 radian equals to 180 upon pi degrees, or pi radian equals to 180 degrees. Now on this basis we are going to solve some numericals. Here I am taking the first question as convert radians into degrees. My first question is -2 radians. Now how we convert it into degrees? Now how we convert into degrees? We got a relation that 1 degree equals to 180 upon pi radians. Therefore -2 degrees equals to -2 degrees is equals to -2 into 180 upon pi degrees. Now how can we go on? Like this, -2 into 180 upon, put the value of pi is 22 by 7. Now -2 into 180 is -360 into 7 upon 22. This is whole is in degrees. Now by further cancelling we got it as 1260 by 11 degrees. Now we have to convert this degrees into minutes, then minutes into second, then we got our proper answer. Now this 1260 by 11 is converted into mixed fraction as 114 by 11 degrees. Now this 114 by 6, what is this? This is 114 degrees, and this is also degree. 6 by 11 is also degree. Now we convert it into minutes by multiplying 60. Why? Because 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Fine. Now what we got is 114 degree, and 6 into 60 by 11 is 360 by 11 minutes. Now again convert this 360 by 11 into a mixed fraction, like this, 114 degrees, and this by converting into mixed fraction we got 32 by 11 degrees. Now 114 degree we can write it as, make it as minutes. Now 114 degree, 32 minutes, and this 8 by 11. Here 8 by 11 is a 8 by 11 is in minutes. Now we are converting it into seconds by multiplying by 60. Then it is converted into minutes. Why? Because 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Fine. Now just multiply this 114 degree, 32 minutes, and 8 into 60 is what? 480 by 11 minutes. Now simple multiplying and divide. Now there is no such unit. This is second, smaller than seconds, therefore you just divide and convert it into decimals. This 480 by 11 is 43.6 seconds. It is 43 by 6 43.6 second. Now our simple answer is 114 degree 32 minutes and approximation 44 seconds means. And this minus, why minus? Because that was -2 radians. This is our last basic answer. Now one more question. I am taking one more question as 11 by 16 radian. Now how can we go on? As previous one, 11 by 16 into 180 by pi. Why 180 by pi? Because 1 radian equals to 180 by pi degrees. This is in now converted into degrees. Now we have to convert this degrees it into minutes and further into seconds. Now put the value of pi here. Put the value of pi and we got 11 by 16 into 180 by 22 into 7. This 22 upon 7 is taken into numerator and this is in degree. Now by solving and cancelling we got it as 315 by 8 degrees. 315. Now this degrees is converted it into minutes by making into mixed fraction and we got it as 39 degrees and 3 by 8. Here 3 by 8 is also a degree. Now we have converted it into minutes by multiplying by 60. Now it is in minutes. Now what we can write is as 39 degrees and by cancelling it we have converted into, by solving it, 45 by 2 minutes. Now this 45 by 2 minutes is further converted it into seconds. How? Like this, 39 degrees 45 by 2. No, sorry, just convert it into mixed fraction. Just convert it into mixed fraction like this, 22 half minutes. Now 39 degrees 22 minutes and half minute is converted into seconds by how? By multiplying it by 60. This is now in seconds. Now what's the answer here? 39 degrees 22 minutes and by solving it we got 30 seconds. Now this is our last, this is a answer, 39 degrees 22 minutes and 30 seconds. Now the next type of question is convert degrees into radian measures. Here our first question is, I am taking 75 degree, convert into radians. Now how to convert it? 75. Now first we have to know this. First we have to know this. 180 degrees is equals to pi radians. Therefore 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radians. Now we have to convert 75. If 1 degree equals to pi upon 180 radians, then 75 degree, then 75 degrees equals to 75 into pi upon 180 radians. Now one thing we have to learn this here is don't put the value of pi here. We have to write radians in the values of pi only. Don't put the value of pi. Remember it. Don't put the value of pi. Now cut 75, cancel 75 by and 180, and we got the answer as 5 pi upon 12 radians. 5 pi upon 12. So 75 degrees is equals to 5 pi upon 12 radians. Now take another question. Now the question is minus 37 degree 30 minutes converted into radians. Now first we have to convert this 30 minutes into degrees, then whole degrees into radians. So how we go on? Minus 37 degree and 30 minutes. How can we convert it into degrees? By just dividing by 60. This is degree. Why we divide 30 by 60? Because 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Now how can we further go on? By just solving it. 30 by 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore we got minus 75 by 2 degrees. Now convert it into radians by minus 75, like previous one, minus 75/2 into pi by 180. Now it is converted into radians. Just solve it and get your answer, minus 5 pi. Just by solving it we got 5 pi by 24. This is in radians. Now take another question, and we understood. Hope you're getting my point. And the last question is 5 degree 37 minutes and 30 seconds. Just first convert 30 seconds into minutes, then minutes into degrees, then this degrees into radians, like this, like 5 degree 37 minutes, and this 30 seconds is converted into minutes by dividing by 60. This is in minutes. Now this is 5 degree 37 1 by 2 minutes. Next what is this? This is 5 degrees and 75 by 2 minutes. Then now convert this minute into degrees. How? Like this, 5 degree 75 by 2 and just divide by 60, and we got it into degrees. Now what the value we got? We got by solving it. This is 575 upon 120. This is whole is in degrees. Just by solving it we got it as 45 by 8 degrees. Now this degree, this one, we have to convert it into radians. How? Just previous question, 45 by 8 into pi by 180. Just multiply by pi by 180 and we got it into radians. By solving it, don't put the value of pi, and we got the answer as pi by 32 radians. Hope you got my point. Thank you for watching.